loves, I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing this affordable look for you guys. If you're interested to see how I got this look, this fox bang and really sleek ponytail, I think this is going to be so cute for you during prom. As you can see, I'm doing it on myself, so that means that you can do it on yourself, sis. You don't have to go to a professional. You don't have to go ask, Shanae down the streets do it for you before you go to prom. You should be able to just finesse this by yourself because it's really, really simple. So I hope you guys can take something from it. And it's really self-explanatory. So I'm just using Eco Styling gel just to slick up my hair and just put it in a baby top knot because I needed to get out of the way because I am going to be doing my sleep ponytail typical, but I just wanted to add a little bit more character with it with the little fox bang. And I'm going to be using like this little gold string to just jazz up the high ponytail. You are going to need some wig caps to create this. Well, just to protect, you are going to need a wig cap to protect your hair from the glue. Yes, the glue will still get onto your hair, but it's not directly onto your hair. You get what I'm saying? So it's just not going to snug and rip and tug onto your hair follicles and cause too much damage. You don't want to do this every day. But once again, if you're looking for something affordable for prom, summertime, springtime, whatever you want to say, this is what you need, okay? So a little bonding glue won't hurt you, sis. Just make sure you get the remover, or you can always use shampoo and conditioner and a little bit of olive oil. Soak that shit up in there and just, it should slide right off. So you want to always go in with your blow dryer to just make sure, the glue is completely dry before you go to your next piece. You don't see me doing that right now because that was just too much to be putting in the videos, but use the heat from the blow dryer to secure this down, honey, because you don't want it to be sliding anywhere, okay? Really, really easy hairstyle. You just want to make sure that you're doing stair steps, and you also want to make sure that your bang is going up into a triangle. So that means that the pieces need to get smaller and smaller the closer it gets to your actual top knot, and this is because the smaller the track, the easier it's going to be to hide. It's 2:00 in the morning. You get what I'm trying to say. So and also you're going to probably be like, okay, well, when it gets to the last track, how am I going to hide that? Well, if you did it right, the little the bundle we're going to use to create the long, luscious 24-inch ponytail, that should hide it, okay? Now, if it's not hiding it, you may need to add another track. You may need to take away a track. You may need to do smaller pieces. But as you can see, it's getting smaller up there for me. So it's really, really simple. I'm going to pull out another bundle in a second just to finesse the longer ponytail, but I just wanted to show you guys how nice this texture is in its natural state. So I just blew it out just a little bit so you guys can see it. It was looking rough because I actually used Julia hair bundles a lot just to do my updos because their hair matches my hair texture really, really nicely. So I'm sorry I didn't mention that this is Julia hair I'm using to create this look. It is an AliExpress hair company. I'm using 24 inches to create this look. I did receive 4 bundles or 3 bundles from this hair company, and I've been using all of their bundles just to do, updos and cute little styles like this lately. I have been using these dumb-ass shears to do this hairstyle. I got them today, actually. As soon as I did this video, I went out specifically to do this look. So I bought these thinking that they were going to be popping, and they're trash. So don't get these. I'm going to go and return them and get the more expensive one. I added the water for it to be easier for me to cut into the hair because if it was dry, it's going to look all ratchet and blunt and weird. So I wanted the sides to be longer than the middle, so that's kind of what I was given. And I also went in with some shears to thin the bang out. But if you're into a thick bang, keep it the density that it is. but I don't like a thick bang at all, girl. I'm not. I'm just going to use my round brush and my blow dryer just to round brush my bang out, because that's super important to me. I like my bang to look, you know, fluffy and kind of natural looking. So I like doing this step. I didn't add any luster or serum or anything like that on the hair. So you're going to see how amazing this hair is. And I didn't even co-wash it or wash this hair. This hair has been through it all. Well, this bundle has been through it all, but it's still giving life. So I'm here for it. All you have to remember is take care of your hair. Take care of your hair. And if it's some good hair, it's going to go through the ring of fire and still come out shining at the end of the day. But anyway, we're about to get into this 24-inch. We're just wrapping around the top knot that we have. You want to make your top knot as small as possible, okay? That is key. I didn't make mine as small as I should have because I just didn't have time to redo it. But it's key, especially if your hair is really long. You know, braiding it helps it get small, but you know, if your hair is on the thicker side, mine is on the finer side, and I still didn't get it as small as I needed it to be. But if your hair is on the thicker side, you need to make it as small as possible, because when you do your wraparound method, you want it to look as, you know, natural as possible. So the smaller that your top knot is, the natural it's going to look on, you know, you. But anyway, I'm just wrapping it around. You guys see me do this 1,000,001 times. Take your time. Make sure your wefts are lining up with each other. You don't want anything poking out or sticking out. As you can see, I'm wrapping it around several times, and that's going to help hide that last track at the top of my bang. And that's how simple that is. It's really simple, girl. Try it on yourself. Try it on a friend. Try it on a mannequin head. Whatever you need to do to feel comfortable to do this look for your prom day, please do so. Ask somebody to watch this video and do it on you, maybe, you know, if you're into doing that. I really do appreciate you guys for watching. Julia hair information will be listed in the description box below. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching once again, babes, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget the thumbs up, comment, subscribe. All of my other social media links will be listed in the description box below, and I will see you baby soon. Oh, and remember, ladies, if you are going to prom, if you haven't been yet, please be safe, okay? For me, be safe.
If